Hi guys, today I'll be doing unboxing. I just received this package from Sugoi Mart. Let's open it up and see what it is. Alright, so we got shit. Sorry, I had to pause filming because I cut myself opening up the box. I'm clumsy. So anyways, we got a thank you card from Sugoi Mart. Sticker, Christmas themed. And then we got the Christmas Advent Calendar. Now, if you've been watching my channel, I've been doing the 30 days of Japan Advent Calendar every day. But this one is their Christmas themed one. This is $150. A little expensive, but it's super fun. Now, the difference between this one and the 30 Days of Japan Advent Calendar, that one had 30 doors to open. This one has 24, but there's a big one here for the 24th day. I wonder what that is. Hopefully it's something good. Let's see. It's toys, blind boxes, card games, anime, plushies, candy, snacks, toys, big prizes. Really cute box. Yeah, so stay tuned on December 1st. I'll start opening it.